Is your Nvidia Control Panel playing hide-and-seek, leaving you stranded without your favorite graphics customization tools? Don't worry, we've all been there. In this video, we'll get your essential Nvidia Control Panel back up and running, step by step. First, let's ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Open Device Manager by right-clicking on your Start button and selecting Device Manager Expand Display Adapters. Then right-click on your Nvidia graphics card and choose Update Driver. Select Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will try to find the latest compatible driver if it finds one. Follow the on-screen prompts to install it. If not, we'll move to the next step. If Windows can't find a driver, you'll need to manually download it directly from Nvidia. Go to the Nvidia driver download page in your web browser. Carefully select your graphics card model, operating system, and driver type. Download the latest recommended driver. Once downloaded, run the installer. It's often best to choose the Custom Advanced installation option, and then select Perform a clean installation. This will remove any old driver files that might be causing conflicts. Sometimes, the Nvidia Control Panel process might have crashed or is not running in the background. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-S. Look for any Nvidia-related processes, like Nvidia Control Panel or Nvidia Container. If you find them, select them and click End Task. Another crucial background service to check is the Nvidia Display Container service in the Windows search bar. Type Services and open the Services application. Scroll down and find Nvidia Display Container LS. Right-click on it and select Restart. If it's not running, right-click and select Start. After restarting the service, check your system tray or try right-clicking on your desktop. Again, the Nvidia Control Panel should now be accessible. With the Nvidia Control Panel back, you can once again fine-tune your graphics settings for optimal performance and visual quality in all your games and applications.